Hi guys, hey, I've got a couple of final grading comments on 2.2, which I just got done grading. And the first thing I want to do is let's just come over here to Module 2. And I want to take a look at 2.2. And I want to just point a couple of things out to you in preparation for the, I'm sorry, okay, it just is talking about the atomic videos, blah, 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 blah. And then it says, familiar yourself with Illustrator. Using Illustrator, begin to set up the first of your magazine pages. Remember, I created the video showing you how to do that in Illustrator. And then it says, for this exercise, you need to create an 8.5 by 11 Illustrator file with 3 layers. A background layer filled with any solid color, a second layer containing a vector drawing a client logo, and a third of the masked images that you imported from the image processing activity. Okay, now we have a couple of things inherent in these instructions. Number one, when you add your image, you have to embed the image. Otherwise, I won't see it when you turn it in. It works the same way as InDesign. If you don't embed the file, the recipient won't be able to see it unless you submit it in a folder with the image. Otherwise, my system won't know where to find the image. Does that make sense? So you need to make yourselves familiar with the difference between linking a file and embedding a file. Most of you linked the file, and so I wasn't able to see it. So you got some grading comments in that between linking and embedding. And the other thing is the way that you turned in the assignment. And listen, I know I'm going to get some comments about this, but here's the thing, all right? You're asked to turn in a layered file. Now that's going to indicate a Adobe Illustrator file, all right? Some of you turned in PDFs. PDF is technically showing the work, yes, but I'm not seeing layers in a PDF, okay? So listen. Remember, if it says layers, you have to show the layers, okay? So when it asks for an Adobe Illustrator file, it's asking for that for a reason. So you really got to pay attention, guys, to the project requirements, okay? If you have any questions on this, let me know, because I want you to see that if we go to the rubric does say to turn in a PDF. That is a mistake. Now, again, inherent in all of these descriptions here is that you are to turn in an AI file, specifically saying, I need layers. I need to see the layers, the background filled with the solid color and those other 2 layers. Otherwise, unless you can show me layers in a PDF, it's not going to work, okay? So, just take it for what it is, and we'll make up the points. If you got deducted, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. It's not the end of the world. It's just a little deduction based on some, I think, some compilations that should have been probably ascertained based on the context of the assignment instructions. I hope that makes sense. If not, get with me. But that's where I'm on that. So basically the main thing for 2.2 is embed your files and watch your submission requirements. Okay, thanks.